What's up, guys? It's Anthony Mendez, or best known as Mendez Fitness. And today we're going to talk about something very interesting. Something that maybe a lot of you might not be thinking of or even planning for. And we should start taking some consideration in, making sure we're taking some small action steps right now to prepare us for this. And you must be thinking, what is this exact thing I'm going to be talking about? So what I'm going to be talking to today to you guys about is social media doomsday. Yes, doomsday. So what does that mean, guys? So that means the day that all of this, the golden era, is going to start going down and crashing down. So this is my opinion. Yet again, guys, this is all my opinion. But this is from me just seeing trends, seeing where things are going, seeing how things are moving, numbers, analytics, scales, seeing the way the drifts are. I feel that there's about 5 more golden years left of social media. And I think that something else is going to come in and step into the plate. And it might step in sooner than what you think. Like in everything, it has to come in sooner. Probably comes in the next 2-3 years. Then it takes about two years to really kick in and drive everybody out of social media. We've seen things happen like this before. AOL Messenger, guys, was the it thing back in the day. AOL Messenger. What is it now? It's not out there. It doesn't exist anymore. MySpace, a first form of social media, gone. But it was the hit trending thing at its time. Facebook, for example, has held its value for a long time. Why? Because it's connected to everything that we do. So Facebook is going to always stay relevant. Instagram will always stay relevant. They're owned by Facebook. So these high-powered platforms will stay relevant. But I will tell you, something else is going to come, and it's going to fight and make the golden years of social media going to fade out. And I'm not saying that social media is going to stop, and I'm not saying it's not going to have any value, but it's not going to hold the same value it does now, and it's not going to have the same effect that it does now, and it's not going to bring you the same prosperity that it does right now. And this is why you guys got to give it your all right now on social media. Document, post, record, come out on live streams, share your stories, be creative. Do as much as you can right now and exhaust the shit out of social media, because I'm telling you, in about 5 years, I guarantee it, it's going to start shifting away and something else is going to take its place. I don't know what it's called, but something else will take its place that it's not social media. So, what can you start doing now? This is what I recommend. I recommend you go into your social media. First of all, make sure all your content is saved. Make sure your content is not just on social media. Make sure you have a backdrive. Make sure you have, something that can hold and store all your content, pictures, videos, audios, everything. That's first and foremost, most important thing. Once you have that, you're good to go. Second, you got to go into your account and you need to check all the connections and relationships that you've built in your account, companies, brands, influencers, even regular people who you want to stay connected with. Guys, you got to now grab those connections, get their contacts, their phone numbers, their emails, their websites, other social media platforms, get any kind of information that you can on them for you guys to stay in contact together. It's very important, because the day social media does go down, or it loses its value, a lot of these people might not be on it anymore. And a lot of these big connections that you might have made might not even respond to you there anymore. They're going to respond somewhere else. But remember, a phone number is a phone number. A phone number is always going to hold its value. They're always going to you can always reach out through a text or a phone call or a voice message of somehow. So a phone number is always going to be highly, highly valuable. An email as well still holds its value. As much as people want to say, oh, emails is not bullshit. Email still holds its value till today. And even email marketing does too. Email still holds its value. So grab people's phone numbers, grab their emails, grab what their social accounts that they're on, and make sure that You stay connected with them outside. And when you have that, that's it. It's yours for life. You build that relationship, and now you have it. You don't have to worry about social media one day crashing, falling, or just losing its value and then not knowing what to do. So I really recommend doing that, guys. Number 3, as far as what to do to prepare for this next wave coming up, do your best right now. Do your best right now with your social media to also go in there and start reaching out to the people that you want to connect with, the brands, the companies, the influencers, anybody. Reach out to them ASAP. Reach out to them. Don't be scared to reach out. And there's always a way of doing that. There's a right way of reaching out, and then there's a wrong way of reaching out. So guys, make sure you reach out, make sure you connect, make sure you build relationships with those people that you want to build relationships now and today before the shit goes haywire. Then you can do the same process of grab them, move them over, and build outside of social media in the real world. So guys, I recommend doing those things right now. The moment you stop watching this video, start doing those things, and I promise you, you will be much more prepared for what's to come in the future once the golden age and the golden era of social media crashes. So, what can we now do on our social media to exhaust the shit out of it and take full advantage of it? And this is you guys every day, especially for those who have a personal brand, a business, a company. I'm specifically talking to you guys, or for those who are starting one, you still do have time. Like I said, there's still a few years. You still do have time, but the time is now. Do not wait any longer. If you got to start now, start now. And if you have been on it, exhaust the crap out of it. Post on a daily basis if you can, or every other day. Engage with people. Build the relationships. Find the people you want to work with. Post high quality content. And when I mean high quality, again, doesn't mean that has to be 4K res. Doesn't mean that has to be the most best edited video. It's just deliver value while you speak. Whatever you do that to deliver value, whether it's showcasing, speaking, whatever it is in whatever form, deliver the highest form of value you can. That's what counts. Keep in mind also, guys, to see also as well what is the hottest things trending right now. Engage with that. Keep an eye on it if it makes sense for what you're doing, if it aligns with your brand, your values. Always that's most important, guys. Make sure it aligns with your truths, and then follow up with that. Super important. On top of that being said, guys, please do not just stick yourself to one platform. There's multiple platforms. Even myself, I got comfortable for a while with just being on Instagram. I've been now trying to diversify on YouTube. I've had my LinkedIn. I'm exploring the TikTok world, still trying to get used to that. But I'm out there exploring. Do not just get stuck on one, because it could be a one and done. And you don't want a one and done action to happen on you. So that's how this whole doomsday effect starts happening. One by one starts trickling down. Look, Instagram, the engagement is not what it used to be. And they're saying already, if you look up, there's reports already pulling up, type up on Google, Instagram's golden age and era is not what it used to be, and it's starting to fall down. Apparently TikTok is now the one that's like the highest one. YouTube has held its value for a long time. It continues to hold its value. Twitch as well. And LinkedIn, I know now is another one that's being used, especially to connect with the right people, professionals, and companies that you want to specifically target and reach out to them directly. That's another great one. But guys, exhaust everything you can right now on it, especially for a company, personal brand, an influencer. Take full advantage of it. Guys, do not forget one more thing. This is the moment. This is the time to do it. The world is changing. Technology, digital, online, especially with what we're going through right now with the whole coronavirus, being quarantined. People are using these platforms more than ever to push work, to push content, to push value, and to deliver. So things are changing, guys, and we got to start shifting to where things are changing as well, and keeping our minds open to that and seeing how it best fits for us. So with that being said, if you guys got value from this, if you are enjoying my channel, if you feel that this has helped you, I would appreciate it if you can subscribe, like, comment, and share. And my other platforms, I got Instagram, it's at Mendez Fitness. And I also have my Facebook, Anthony Mendez. I have a private Facebook group. If you want to join that, please let me know. I will include you in my private Facebook group. And I'm going to be putting a lot of other dynamic, cool things in there. And for my YouTube, like I said, please subscribe if you feel you got value from this. Peace out.